and then I'm coming here for 10. And then it's all done. And make sure you sign up for next year. Sign-up forms are already up on the site.
Hello, I'm Lisa.
I'm Georgia.
We're the Guerrillas. Our group decided that you don't learn what you want to know in school, or you don't know who to talk to about your interest. For example, I really enjoy playing the guitar, and Arthur enjoys playing Minecraft, but we don't know who to talk who in our schools have the same interests and hobbies. Thinking along these lines, we decided to make a website called Guerrilla Learning. Here you create your own name, username, and go onto forums to blog about interests or discuss relative problems. It's a sub-learning culture.
We built this site using Drupal, and that's an open source content management system. You click sign in to join. We use Mozilla Persona for that. If you are already a member, you put in your email address and then click sign in. If not, you create your new account by using your email address and verifying it.
After you've signed in, you go straight to your profile. This is Lucy's profile. You can see that you can upload your own profile pictures, add in your hometown on OpenStreetMaps, access blogs, and it even tells you how long you've been a member. From your profile page, you can go into your backpack, which is where you can see the badges you've earned on Mozilla Open Badges. We have linked our website with Mozilla Open Badges, so when you log into Guerrilla Learning, you log into Mozilla as well. You gain badges by getting involved in the site and helping others. The more badges you earn, the more prestige the badges become. You can even get a badge for earning badges.
This is the screen that we use to create your own badges. The reason we have this site is to discuss interest on the forums or blogs, and this is an example of one of them. All you need to do is create your subject and then input a question. All users can comment on your post, like Fred has on this one.
We used open data sources for the website as for Mozilla Open Badges for achievements. We used OpenStreetMaps for user geodata. This is the Street Maps map. You enter your town name as for Burnley in Lancashire. You see town and the things surrounding it. Hopefully soon you'll be able to see the schools in that area and see the local users with the similar interests. You could see their username so you can contact them on the website.
On the edit page, there is an interest section. There is a list of different languages that you can add into the selected side. These will save and will recommend you to different blogs. We only have a list of languages so far, but we will eventually have a wider range of interests that anyone can contribute to. There is actually an input box where you can type the interests you want on the list.
The reason that we're all here today is that we can learn outside of the classroom and we share each other's interests and knowledge. That's what this website is about. Learning from your peers and doing something that you enjoy. Thank you for listening. Any questions?
Loving that. What would you say each one of you were responsible for? So did you each have your own jobs that you did across the week?
Well, most of the time we worked as a team, but we had our own set of jobs part-way through the week. So Arthur, he created badges using CSS and HTML. And me and Georgia, we created the logo, and we also did the appearances on the websites. So, but most of the time we did work as a group.
Can you tell us about your prior experience each of you had before doing this?
Well, I've taken for GCSE computers, so I do a lot of programming throughout my lessons. So I've used Small Basics, Python, HTML, CSS, things like that.
I use Scratch a lot of times, and also I can work a Raspberry Pi. and also I'm good. I do GIMP, and also I've done a lot of stuff on Code Academy too, so I know a bit of like HTML and stuff like that.
I had very little prior experience, and I learned most of what I know, during the Festival of Code, and, a week before the Festival of Code.
You based your application on Drupal, so did you need to actually code in PHP for some of the modules, or did Drupal already have capabilities to interface with the batches and so on?
Drupal already